Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up an HSA with triple tax benefits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up a health savings account, or HSA, follow these simple steps. First, confirm your eligibility for an HSA. You must be enrolled in a high deductible health plan, also known as an HDHP. Next, research HSA providers to find one that suits your needs. Consider factors such as fees, investment options, and customer service. Once you've chosen a provider, visit their website to begin application. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and address. You will also need to provide information about your HDHP. After submitting your application, wait for confirmation from your HSA provider. Once approved, you can fund your HSA with contributions. Know that contributions can come from your own funds or your employer's contributions. Be aware of annual contribution limits set by the IRS. Now, understand the 3 tax benefits of an HSA. First, your contributions are tax deductible, reducing your taxable income. Second, the funds in your HSA grow tax-free, allowing for investment options. Finally, withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. Make sure to keep detailed records of all transactions and medical expenses. This will help you maximize your tax benefits. Consider setting up automatic contributions for consistent saving. Take time to review your HSA and investment options regularly. Adjust your contributions or investments as your financial situation changes. By following these steps, you can successfully set up an HSA and take advantage of its triple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.